Water is a precious resource. Worldwide, water demand continues to increase significantly. After its use, it is often considered a burden, a nuisance to be disposed of. However, wastewater management is shifting from treatment and disposal to reuse, recycle, and recovery of the resource. With the non-stop cleaning system, Comac is committed to reusing the water used for cleaning floors, thanks to a filtration process installed on the machine. It looks like a normal scrubbing machine, but it's not. The dirty water arrives into the recovery tank, passing through the first filtration stage. The basket filter stops the coarsest debris. The water is sent to the decantation tank, where an anti-oil inlet filter stops any oils and greases. The forced path involves its passage through a coalescence filter, which accelerates the separation process of heavy particles. Then, water arrives to the decantation compartment, where another gravity separation process of the dirt takes place. Now, water level rises to the opening that leads into the filter compartment. You can choose between the basic NSC system to increase the work autonomy, thanks to a simple recycling of the washing solution. Or choose the premium version, which has a deep filtration stage to work with clear water for 5 days. This is a deep microfiltration for the physical removal of suspended solids from water through special membrane cartridges. NSC Premium can guarantee a very high-quality filtered solution. In fact, it can stop suspended solids, bacteria, and even some viruses, while maintaining the effectiveness of chemical agents. In the last tank comes the filtered water that is ready to be reused. During the standard working phase, impurities stick to the filtering surface. The premium version is equipped with membrane filters and an automatic system for cleaning them, in order to keep high filtering efficiency during the normal working phase, so that the intervention of the operator is not necessary. At the end of the day, the basket filter has to be emptied and the system filled only with water, in order to refill the one absorbed by the floor. After 5 days of use of NSC Premium, the solution has to be changed, and then the system must be completely emptied and refilled with water and chemicals. This is the non-stop cleaning system, the best solution to reuse water directly on board of the scrubbing machine. Using the same solution for 5 days will let you save 80% of water, 90% of chemicals, and 85% of the time for pit stops, with an annual saving estimated up to €13,000. All this caring about the environment without sacrificing quality in cleaning operations. Stop waste. Non-stop cleaning. #Comac4Water.